Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change your age on TikTok. If you've accidentally entered the wrong birth date on your TikTok account or need to update your age for any reason, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. If you've tried to change your age in the TikTok settings on your profile and couldn't find the option, don't worry. TikTok doesn't provide a straightforward way to update your birth date directly. But, I've got a workaround for you. Open TikTok on your device and click on the little profile icon in the bottom left to go to your profile. Now, click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Navigate to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the Report a Problem option. When you find it, click on it. Now, scroll down. And under the Topics section, click on Account and Profile. Now, at the bottom, open the Editing Profile section and again scroll down. And click on Other since there isn't a specific birthday option. Scroll to the very bottom and select Need More Help. Now, you'll be prompted to write a message to the TikTok team. Here's a template you can use. I need to change my birth date because the current one is incorrect. I am willing to provide my ID card if necessary. Remember, don't upload your ID card unless they specifically ask you to do so. Once you've written your message, submit your report. The TikTok team will typically contact you within a day or two to assist you in updating and changing your age on TikTok. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thanks for watching.